Right now, a $1,000 an hour engineer is winning a war against your willpower. You think you chose to click this video? Your brain was architected to do it. Behind every infinite scroll is a psychological blueprint designed to turn your prefrontal cortex into a slot machine. They've hijacked your macro circuit, the system responsible for your 10-year legacy, and rewired it for 10-second hits. Today, we reclaim the blueprint. I'm showing you how to view your focus like a master architect and why the Greyscale Protocol is the only system-level bypass that actually works in 2026. Welcome to Unforced Mind. Let's dismantle the machine. In the 1950s, B.F. Skinner discovered the variable reward schedule. Feed a pigeon every time it hits a lever, and it eats only when hungry. But make the reward random, a pellet on the 3rd, 12th, or 50th press, and the bird becomes obsessed. It will press that lever until it collapses. Your phone is not a tool, it is a digital Skinner box. Instagram, TikTok, X, they aren't photo or text apps. They are dopamine delivery systems programmed in Python. Every scroll is a maybe. That maybe keeps your brain in a high beta frequency, a state of chronic scanning and high cortisol anxiety. You aren't using the app. The app is harvesting your biological potential to fuel its retention metrics. You are dismantling your skyscraper to play with the dirt at the foundation. To beat a system, you must become the architect. An architect doesn't focus on a single brick. They hold the entire structure in their mind. This is your macro circuit. Biologically, this is your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that can see 5, 10, or 20 years into the future. Digital addiction is a desync error. Your lizard brain is operating in milliseconds, while your true goals require months of sustained pressure. Every time you check a notification, you incur dopamine debt. You are borrowing focus from your future self at a 1,000% interest rate. The unforced mindset isn't about trying harder. It's about system design. If the environment is rigged, you don't change your will, you change the environment. Here is the bypass. The Greyscale Protocol. Evolution programmed us to seek ripe fruit and danger. Both are signaled by bright colors. Red notification badges are a direct hack of your evolutionary hardware. By turning your phone to grayscale, you strip the reward from the variable. The slot machine becomes a calculator. It's boring, it's functional, it's unforced. The pro-level setup, the triple-click shortcut. Set your accessibility shortcut to toggle grayscale. The friction layer. Delete your mobile browser. If you need to search something, use a computer. Force the macro circuit to engage. The dopamine blackout. From 9 p.m. to 9 a.m., your phone stays in another room. No exceptions. When the color dies, the craving dies with it. You're telling your brain, this is a terminal, not a toy. 99% of people will finish this video and immediately scroll into a dopamine debt they can never repay. Don't be a statistic. I'm issuing the 24-hour Greyscale Challenge. For the next 24 hours, your world is black and white. Notice the phantom reach, that moment your hand moves for the phone without your permission. That friction you feel? That is your macro circuit coming back online. That is the architect waking up. Willpower is a myth. Systems are the only truth. If you're ready to stop renting space in someone else's app and start building your own life by design, subscribe to the Unforced Mind. Comment Architect below if you're taking the 24-hour challenge. I'll be watching the comments to see who's actually building. Stay focused. Stay unforced. See you in the next one.